For those of you who want to know how to do knife throwing or just throwing anything in general, like screwdrivers or traditional throwing knives that you could get at a local store, you know, the technique is basically the same the way I do it. I'm not sure if it's called a wave throw. You can correct me on that if I'm wrong. But basically, what you do is you're going to hold it in your hand pretty much, depending on how far away it is, you judge it like a barrel of a gun, you know. The further down it is, the more control you're going to have. The closer it is, the less control you're going to have. So if you leave your hand, it's going to snap faster. So that's for a quick, really close shot. Or if I usually do it about from here. I'm not even sure how many feet it is. But so basically, you hold it like this, right? You're going to come up over your hand, and you're going to throw it like that. When it reaches about here, above your hand, what you do is it's going to reach over, and you're going to let your thumb go. You're not going to flick your wrist or anything like that. It's just going to be one steady motion, and you don't throw it like a baseball. You don't cross your arm over or anything like that. So you come up, get your hand in position, almost like you're throwing a football, like a touchdown pass or something like that. And you're going to come up and over, and you're just going to let it glide out your hand. There's no flick of the wrist or anything like that. Screwdrivers are a little different. You have to hold them the same way, but it's a little bit more force because, you know, they're not as sharp, you know. Like I said again, come up and over. Some more attempts with the screwdrivers and the throwing knives. Doubles. This time's just a matter of throwing, you know, showing you guys how I throw it, and next time I'll do accuracy. I'll actually pick points on the wall and show you. But for people who want to know how to do this, it's pretty easy. It's just a matter of getting used to the technique.